Good morning, students. Today we will continue division chapter. Firstly, I will tell you the shortcut method of dividing a number with 10, 100 or 1000. Here we note the number of zeros in divisor and that many digits from the right of the dividend make the remainder and the rest of the digits make the quotient. For example, we are having a number 1438 and we are to divide it by 10. 10 has 1 0. So digits from the right, number of 0, 1. One digit from the right will be the remainder. That is, remainder is 8. And the quotient will be the number formed by rest of the digits. That is, 143 will be the quotient. Another example, 2473. Suppose we are to divide it with 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So, 2 digits from the right will be the remainder. That is, 73 is remainder. And the number formed by rest of the digits will be quotient. That is, quotient is 24. Another example is 8,74,284 divided by 10,000. There are 4 zeros in 10,000s. So 4 digits from the right will be the remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our remainder will be 4,284. And the number formed by rest of the digits will be the quotient. Hope this shortcut method is clear to you. Next I will tell you when the dividend and divisor both end in 0. For example, 150 divided by 30. Dividend has 1 0, divisor has 1 0. In this case, we will cross the equal number of zeros from dividend and divisor and divide the rest of the number. That is, in 150 and 30 we have 1 0 in 150 and 1 0 in 30. We will cross 1 0 from both and divide 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. So, our quotient will be 5. Let us take one more example. 25,000 divided by 500. Dividend 25,000 has 3 zeros and divisor 500 has 2 zeros. We are to remove equal number of zeros. 1 0 from here, 1 from here, another 1 from here, another 1 from here. Now, no 0 left in divisor. We can't remove this 0. 2 zeros from both we have removed. Now we will divide 250 by 5. 5 5s are 25. By subtracting we will get 0. Now bring down 0. 5 zeros are 0. So our answer is 50. Quotient is 50 and remainder is 0. Our answer is 50. Let us take one bigger example like 1 lakh divided by 5,000. Here we can remove maximum 3 zeros. Dividend has 5 zeros, divisor have only 3. So we can remove 3 zeros from dividend and divisor. Rest of the number is 100 divided by 5. When we divide 100 by 5, we will get our answer. 5 twos are 10. By subtracting, we get 0. Bring down this 0. 5 zeros are 0. Now our answer is 20. Hope this is clear. Next I will tell you division with 3-digit number. Let us take one example. 84,436 divided by 418. Firstly, we will compare first digit 8. 8 is smaller than 418. We can't divide. So we will take 2 digits together. But 84 is still smaller than 418. So we will take 3 digits. 844 is greater than 418. We can divide it. Now we will find the multiples of 418 till we reach 844. 418 ones are 418. 418 twos are 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. 2 4s are 8. 836. Still 844 is greater. We will find out 418 threes are. Which is 1254. But this is greater than 844. We will take 836. 418 twos are 836. Now we will subtract these two. 4 minus 6 we can't do. We will take 1 from this 4. This 4 will become 3 and this 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 minus 8 0. Now bring down the another digit. Number is 83, which is smaller than 418. So 418 ones are is 418, which is greater. We will find out 418 zeros are. This is 0. So 418 zeros are 0. By subtracting, we will get 83. Next digit is 6. Bring down 6. The number is 836. Now again we will find the multiples of 418. 418 ones are 418. 418 twos are 836. We will take this again. Twos are 836. By subtracting, we will get zeros. This is our quotient and this is our remainder. So answer will be quotient is equal to 202 and remainder is equal to 0. Hope the division with 3-digit number is clear. Thank you.